The HST's history is longer than you might have thought, going back to just after World War II. In 1946, the astronomer Lyman Spitzer identified the main advantages that a space-based observatory would have over ground-based telescopes. Spitzer spent much of his career pushing for the building of a space telescope. Originally, the HST, Hubble Space Telescope, was to have been bigger. NASA began seriously planning it in the mid-1970s. It was originally proposed to have a mirror diameter of 3 meters, but this was reduced to 2.4 meters to save money. The HST, Hubble Space Telescope, is still bigger than you might think. It weighs 11 tons and is 15.9 meters long. That's nearly as long as a couple of Routemaster double-decker buses, each 8.4 meters long.
The HST doesn't use as much power as you think. It uses about 2,800 watts, while a typical kitchen kettle is rated at 2,200 watts. Hubble gets its power from a couple of solar panels, each 2.6 x 7.1 meters. Hubble is pretty fast for a telescope, speeding around the world at 28,000 kilometers per hour. This is 12 times as fast as the cruising speed of the Concorde supersonic airliner, 2270 kilometers per hour. The HST can observe the furthest away galaxies ever seen, but there are a couple of nearby objects it cannot look at. These are the Sun and Mercury. Hubble is essentially a giant camera, but it doesn't use film. Its instruments capture the light from the universe with electronic detectors, so it is basically a giant digital camera. Hubble's images of the wonders of the cosmos are recorded in shades of black and white, not color. The final color images we all love are actually combinations of 2 or more black and white exposures made through colored filters. During image processing, the colors matching the filters are added to the picture. The HST has achieved all the objectives it was designed for. Probably its greatest achievement was measuring the age of the universe to be about 13.8 billion years. This figure was more accurate than any previous measurement. The Hubble telescope is in the final phase of its life. Sometime after 2014, failure of its vital systems will render it useless. Unless some kind of rescue is made, which is pretty unlikely, it will re-enter the Earth's atmosphere and burn up sometime between 2019 and 2030.